Vågstranda is a pocket spring mattress with a total height of 28 cm. Developed in three firmnesses: mid-firm, firm and extra firm. We use different wire thickness to differentiate the firmnesses. Vågstranda is developed with 7 comfort zones, built with 2 layers of pocket springs, double layer and double wire, which is one of our innovations. The zones are achieved by using different wire thickness and pocket heights. The height of the pockets matches the pressure points of the body to give an excellent ergonomic comfort. We have been using simulation tools to find the right balance in the spring core so the S-shape follow the body in a perfect way. We have been using pocket springs from edge to edge. With this solution, we can offer a more unified sleeping surface when you place 2 mattresses side by side. We have also built up the mattress with reinforced edge, which creates a better stability when sitting on the edge to avoid the slide-off effect. And by using this technology, we can reduce the usage of foam in the construction and by that create a more sustainable offer. The top layer is made of standard polyurethane foam to provide a good comfort and a nice sleeping environment. The top cover is made of knitted fabric, made in 100% recycled polyester, quilted together with polyester wadding and a thin layer of standard polyurethane foam to give an even and better comfort. The side panel is made of woven fabric, made in 100% recycled polyester, with a light blue color to keep a fresh look and an identity of a spring mattress. We have been working on details, for example vertical quilting lines on the side panel. On the top panel we have been using wavy quilting lines to really make a high quality impression. The mattress has vertical handles on the side panel, which are both functional and durable. Vågstranda is easy to bring home since it comes in a press and roll pack solution. This is our first mattress in a box. The box will support easy handling of the product and gives a high quality expression.